the first thing I want you guys to do is I want you to write a big outer circle and then one right on the inside of that. That's where we're going to start. And then we're going to divide that outer circle so it has 5 different pieces. This outer circle, I'll put it here, is your offer. And there are 5 components that make up a profitable sold out offer. Are you guys ready for them? Okay. Number 1 is your pricing. This can be anything, depending on what your strategic business goals are. I am not an advocate for low ticket. I'm not an advocate for high ticket. I'm not an advocate for mid ticket. I'm an advocate for making you guys a lot of money. And whatever type of program that we build is going to be the catalyst to the life you want. So whatever that is for each of you, I have clients that have very, very expensive programs. I have clients that sell things for $27. It doesn't matter. I can help you do both. But the first thing that I want you to understand is the pricing is the first component of an irresistible sold out offer. Okay.